Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, violet color, yellow color, brown color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, purple color, light green color, black color, orange color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. L for lemon. U for uniform. Orange color. B for bus. K for kite. P for peacock. Violet color. E for eggplant. J for jelly. S for sky. Y for yam. Red color. D for doll. H for house. T for toy. X for xylophone. Sky blue color. G for grapes. N for nose. R for rainbow. W for water. Light green color. C for candy. M for monkey. O for oxygen. Z for zipper. Purple color. F for fruits. I for ice cream. Q for queen. V for vanilla. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.